Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create elimination maps on Stumble Guys using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to install Stumble Guys on your device. After that, just go ahead and open the application. So let's just wait. So I'm just gonna turn off the sound and music volume so that you can hear me. And here you can see there's a party option at the right side of your screen. So you just want to click at that and click custom game. And then here you can now choose how many rounds that you want. So for example, 1. And here are the max players, okay? And then as you can see, there's this select button at the right side of round 1, right? So just want to click that. And here, as you can see on the left part, you can see race maps and elimination maps. So you just want to uncheck the race maps. And here you can choose any maps that you want, but keep in mind that you can only choose a minimum of 7 maps, okay? So just go ahead and choose any maps that you want, and then once you've done that, just click accept and click create. So creating party, and now there's this room code. You can send that to your friends if you want to add them on your party, and that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.